So hello everyone. Today I have start my new SD sheet, striver sheet, and this is the first question of the striver sheet. That is the set matrix is zero. In this question, we have to do if any row and any column are with the zero, we have to make all the column and the rows to the zero. And on the right hand side, I have write the code for it. Example in the first example we have the 1 comma 1 first row first column is 0, so we will make the first row to be the 0 and the first column to be 0, so the output will be 101 0 0 0 101. And the example 2, 0 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 will be 0, so we'll make the first column first row to be 0 and first last column to be 0. And on the right hand side I have write the code for it. Initially we have it is given in the on seeing the constraints, it is given that the mn and n have values from 1 to 200 and the matrix can have values from minus 2 to the power 31 to 2 to the power 31 minus 1. And we have to do this solution in a constant space, and the time complexity will be m into n. So initially I had assumed two boolean variables to be false. These boolean variables is are needed because we have to check if there is any zero present in the first row or any zero present in the first column. If yes, then we mark A as true. If zero is present in the first row and if zero is present in the first column, then we mark B as true. Then we will see Then we will do for two for loops, and we will traverse linear traverse in a matrix, and if there is any zero present in the matrix, then to the corresponding row and to the corresponding column we mark it as 0. Example, in the first example we can see that the 1 comma 1 1 first row first column matrix is 0, so you mark the zeroth column first row matrix value as 0 and the first column zeroth row as 0. Similarly for all the cases, then we will check again with the two for loops that if any 0 is there and the corresponding the and first row and the last first column is a matrix value is 0, then we will mark the value of that column to be 0. Then at last we will check if A is true, means the first row value there is at least 0 present in it, then we mark that column as 0, that row as 0, and for that column we will check if B value is true, then we mark the B value, then we mark that column as 0. In this way we will make the matrix with setting all the values to be 0. And then we'll at last submit it. Thank you.